What's up guys, welcome to Top Phone For You. In today's video I've got the latest flagship from Xiaomi. This is the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and go through the initial setup. So without wasting any time, let's have a look and see what's inside the box. So as you can see there, it's got the Mix at the front on the top and the Xiaomi printed at the bottom. And then on the side there is the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4. On the back, this is the 12 gig RAM and 512 gig storage version. The sound has been tuned by Harman Kardon at the bottom, and a high-res audio wireless, and then Dolby Vision HDR10 Plus. Yeah, this phone ticks all the boxes, and it's running the latest Snapdragon 888 Plus. Okay, let's open up the box. This is the Chinese version because the global version is not available at the moment. And here's the phone. Just, let's have a look what else we have in the box. It's a protective case in this, and the user guide. Here's the case. And there's some paperwork in there, and nothing else. We have the SIM ejecting tool there, USB-C to USB-A cable, and on this we have the 120 watt power adapter. And that's it. That's the whole lot what's come in the box. Let's now unpack this. So I'm just gonna quickly go through the initial setup. So this is the Chinese version, only have Chinese and English. There you go. So as you can see there, this is it comes with a full display with under the screen front camera. Have a look at the back. This is the ceramic lock, which attract a fingerprint very easily, as you can see there. We have the 128 megapixel triple setup cameras at the back. On the top we have the infrared blaster and the microphone, and then we have the imprinted there sound by Harman Kardon on the top. On the side we have the volume up and down, and then the power button underneath it, and then at the bottom we have the speaker grill and a USB-C port, and the SIM card tray. And the other side there's nothing in there. And then at the back we just presented with the triple setup camera and a dual LED flashlights there, and then Xiaomi imprinted at the bottom. So this is running the MIUI 12.5.2 Chinese version, and as you can see, no Google Play Store installed on this, as it's running the Chinese version. So this is running the Snapdragon 888 Plus with a 12 gig RAM and 512 gig storage. It's based on Android 11. Okay, let's check out the front camera. You can see that Xiaomi has done a really good job. You can't even see anything under the screen there, that you wouldn't know that the front camera is there. So you can't really see anything in there at all. The phone comes with a screen protector which shows where the camera should be. Other than that, there is no sign at all where the camera is, which is quite good. I must say this is the best under display camera on the market at the moment, as you cannot even notice it's there. It's very well done. And it's got Corning Gorilla Glass features, the latest Corning Gorilla Glass at the front, and then a ceramic back. It has a 120 Hz refresh rate in there. You can have a reading mode on and off. Yeah, it's quite smooth and yeah, fast. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.